So this video we will be talking about introduction to anatomical terms. अगर आप लोग ने अपना बुक खोला होगा and you started reading, तुम लोग थोड़े confused हुए होगे कि ये क्या है, anterior, lateral, medial, so many new words. या so अगर तुमको terms एक बार अच्छे से समझ गया, then understanding anatomy becomes very easy. Yeah, so this is an easy and interesting video. Let's start. In this, we will be talking about anatomical terms. Anatomical terms क्यों important है? Because body के अंदर कोई structure किधर located है, when we have to describe that, we cannot say कि आजू में है, बाजू में है. हमको एकदम अच्छे से anatomical terms में ही उसको describe करना पड़ता है. अभी ये term decide करने को एक position लेते हैं. जैसे ये इंसान इधर खड़ा है, right? How he is standing, his feet are close together, his palms are rotated, यानी palms जो है उसके front facing है, okay? They are not lying side by side along the legs, they are facing in the front and the thumb is pointed away from the body. This position is known as standard anatomical position. ये पोजीशन में हम जो भी रेफरेंस देंगे that will hold true for everybody in every country. Yeah, it is universal. The terms. The first term is superior and inferior. Superior मतलब क्या? In general, superior means above. So if I have to describe something, then I will, अगर वो ऊपर है, then I will say superior. I will say the head is superior than the neck. Okay. Similarly, if I have to say something inferior, जो नीचे है, then I will say the neck is inferior to the head. Okay, it can apply to anywhere, like the foot is inferior to the knee. Then we come to the second term, that is anterior and posterior. Anterior means towards the front, that is chest side, and posterior means towards the back. You can see in this diagram, anterior and posterior. This all will be helpful in anatomy when we describe single body parts. तभी हम ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते उसके आगे है और पीछे है. We say it is anterior or we say it is posterior. Third term is medial and lateral. Medial means towards the midline. यहाँ पे अगर diagram में देखो, तो nose, we can say nose is medial to ears. Okay, it will always be in comparison. So the nose is medial to ears and ears are lateral to nose. You see, medial is towards the midline and lateral is away from the midline. If you don't understand it in one time, it is still fine. It takes a little bit of practice. थोड़ी practice से समझ जाएगा. Just to revise it, superior मतलब ऊपर रहेगा, inferior मतलब below, anterior मतलब आगे, posterior मतलब पीछे, medial मतलब center line के पास और lateral मतलब center line के दूर. To give you another example of medial is, जो sternum होता है वो यहाँ पे होता है, वो medial होएगा, and say let's say hands are going to be lateral to sternum. Contralateral यानी opposite side, we are talking like left hand and right ear, then they are contralateral. And ipsilateral बोला, ipsilateral मतलब same side, यानी left hand and left ear, both if they are on the same side, then it is called as ipsilateral to each other. Now we come to the next terms, proximal and distal. Before starting that, I don't know if I said this, but anatomy में कोई भी terms अगर हम बोलेंगे, that will always be in relationship to something else. You know, that means कि हम लोग ने ये बोला superior or inferior, that the head is superior to the neck. The head is superior with respect to neck. Okay, going on उल्टा जाएंगे हम. The neck is inferior with respect to head. neck inferior नहीं है because neck is actually superior if you take it through the thorax, right? So all the terms are going to be in relation to somebody else. अभी proximal और distal बोलते हैं, तो proximal और distal is a classical example of that. Proximal मतलब जो trunk या body के closest है, and distal means farthest away. Yeah, so I'll show you this. So we will talk about this joint, that is the elbow joint. Elbow joint is distal to shoulder joint, but elbow joint is proximal to the wrist joint. I hope you understand. So this is the shoulder joint, this is the elbow joint, and this is the wrist joint. ये उनका relationship है with respect to each other. How do we remember? Distal मतलब दूर है, D, okay, and proximal मतलब पास है, which is P. So repeating it again, proximal is closer to the body or the trunk, and distal means farthest away, right? So अगर हम broader term में बोलेंगे तो wrist is going to be distal to the shoulder joint, right? The next terms are superficial and deep. बहुत easy है, नाम से ही समझ रहा है. Superficial means जो upper layer है. Superficial, otherwise also we say that their bond was very superficial, मतलब deep connection नहीं है. जो ऊपर से है वो superficial होता है, and deep means which is inside, that is farthest from the body surface. To give you an example, skin is superficial and stomach is deep. Right. Now, if you have to talk in relation, skin is superficial to the bone beneath it, right? And the bone beneath it, अभी यहाँ पे humerus है, is deep to the skin. स्किन के नीचे कनेक्टिव टिश्यू भी होएगा, कनेक्टिव टिश्यू के नीचे मसल होएगा, मसल के नीचे बोन रहेगा. तो हमको एनाटॉमिकली हमें ये बोलना है, तो हाउ वी विल say it. Okay, this is important of how you'll say it. So you say it like bone is deeper than the muscle, muscle is deeper than the connective tissue, and connective tissue is the deeper layer to the skin, right? Every term is supposed to be with respect to the other term. This all gets a little messy, but when you do it repetitively, it is very easy. Reference plane. This idea is little complex, so I decided to show up, by the way. Hi. So reference plane हमको समझने के लिए we will try to play a little game. Let's assume that you are a murderer and you are supposed to kill somebody. और तुमको orders आ रहे हैं ऊपर से and you have to kill exactly in the anatomical plane that they've asked you to kill. Right? So तुम्हारा first order है to kill a person in sagittal plane. Sagittal plane is top to bottom. In the diagram, if you can see, then this is a sagittal plane. Complex, right? So how will you kill me if you had to kill me in sagittal plane? You hold a knife or anything, saw blade or जो भी लेना है, and you kill from top to bottom. This is the direction of sagittal plane. अगर तुमने एकदम मिडलाइन से लिया ऐसे तो वो मीडियन सजाइटल प्लेन रहेगा. तुम लोग ने थोड़ा लेफ्ट से लिया ऐसे या थोड़ा राइट से लिया, इट इज स्टिल सजाइटल प्लेन बट इट इज नॉट मीडियन सजाइटल प्लेन. Okay, so this is the first one, the sagittal plane. It is top to bottom. These are confusing, which is why they are favorite MCQ questions. Second one is coronal plane or frontal plane. Second तुमको order आता है you kill the person in the coronal plane. Now this is again क्या है coronal plane? So you take the knife or the saw blade, whatever you want, and you put it like this and you cut down. Okay, can you see it? Yeah, like this. So you separate the body into anterior and posterior halves. पहले ऐसे जब किया था तभी लेफ्ट एंड राइट हाफ्स किया था. ऐसे जब काटा you cut it into anterior and posterior half. The diagram, this one is the coronal plane, right? The third one is transverse plane. उसका second name is horizontal plane. नाम से easy है, horizontal यानी ऐसा कट करोगे. तो तुमको मर्डर करना है एंड तुमको फोन पे बोला है horizontal plane में करना है, you will do it like this, right? This is transverse. So यहाँ भी कर सकते हो, bottom पे भी ऐसे कर सकते हो, यहाँ पे भी वैसा कर सकते हो. Anything that runs horizontally is horizontal plane or transverse plane. The fourth one is oblique plane. Oblique plane is just a slanted plane and it is at an angle that lies between horizontal matlab ye wala and vertical matlab ye wala. So oblique plane is going to be like this. You cut me like this and that is going to be oblique plane. I hope I'm not boring you enough for you to actually want to cut me open. But these are the planes, little bit confusing. We will just revise them. Sagittal, top to bottom, coronal, ऐसा, anterior and posterior halves, transverse, horizontal plane, and oblique, ऐसा, in between the horizontal and vertical plane, right? The applied part of this planes is one कि तुमको structures देखना है अच्छे से, तो तुमको अलग अलग angle में cut slices लेना पड़ेगा so that you can see the internal structures easily. Commonly अगर CT scan या MRI है तो उसमें cut slices होते हैं. They are at various planes. अगर and it's not like even if they go at a transverse plane or horizontal plane, for example अगर spine का ले रहे हैं तो हर एक वर्टेब्रे के ट्रांसवर्स प्लेन पे वो लोग कट सेक्शंस लेंगे. सो दैट इज द प्रैक्टिकल यूटिलिटी. ऑफ कोर्स स्टडीज में तो काम आएगा ही. एवरी प्लेन ऑफर्स यू अ व्यू जो अदर प्लेन मे और मे नॉट ऑफर. सो प्लेन्स यस नाम याद रखना है फॉर एमसीक्यूज. नेक्स्ट वी कम टू कैविटीज. So there are two main body cavities. एक तो है dorsal cavity जो ये है grayish ही है ना. This is the dorsal cavity and this yellowish is the ventral cavity. फिर dorsal cavity है, इसको वापस हम लोग दो चीज में डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. This is the cranial cavity and this is the spinal cavity. कैविटी क्या होता है? कैविटी मतलब एक खांचा या जगह जिधर तुम अपना इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स रख सकते हो. तो क्रेनियल कैविटी में अपना क्रेनियम आएगा और स्पाइनल कैविटी में अपना स्पाइनल कॉर्ड आएगा. फाइन, दैट इज डॉर्सल कैविटी. दिस इज द वेंट्रल कैविटी. इतना बड़ा जो येलो दिख रहा है वो वेंट्रल कैविटी इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ द ट्रंक. इसमें भी हमको डिविजन्स है. ये जो अपर वाला पार्ट है इस थोरैसिक कैविटी एंड जो नीचे वाला पार्ट है इस एब्डोमिनोपेल्विक कैविटी. दिस बिग पार्ट एब्डोमिनोपेल्विक कैविटी. एब्डोमिनोपेल्विक बोला मतलब कॉमन सेंस से वापस डिवीजन आएगा. दिस इज एब्डोमिनल कैविटी एंड दिस इज पेल्विक कैविटी. What you need to know in this is you have to go back and read your books and try to remember कि हर एक कैविटी में कौन से ऑर्गन्स हैं. डॉर्सल का तो इजी हो गया, क्रेनियम एंड स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. बट दिस थोरैसिक कैविटी में क्या क्या है? So there is lungs, there are heart, there is bronchus. In abdominal cavity, there's going to be all the abdominal intestines, the stomach, there's duodenum. Pelvic में क्या आएगा? तो uterus आएगा, urinary bladder आएगा, rectum आएगा. All that you have to remember. Once again, this is the dorsal cavity. This is the ventral cavity. Dorsal cavity में cranial and spinal, and ventral में thoracic and abdominopelvic, and abdominopelvic में abdomen and pelvic. So this is the end of your video on anatomical terms. It is a little volatile, तो तुमको घड़ी घड़ी ये वीडियो देखना पड़ेगा. Also, whenever you read your anatomy, try to read it through the terms. और टर्म्स में ही बात करो, टर्म्स में ही एग्जाम में लिखना जरूरी है. यू कैन नॉट पुट योर सिंपल इंग्लिश इन दैट आंसर्स. अदरवाइज इट्स इजी. एक बार विजुअलाइजेशन बैठ गया कि क्या किधर है, देन इट इज completely easy. So yeah, practice and then you will understand the terms better. Thank you.